What's up, everyone? In this video today, I'm going to show you how to create subgroups for your categories. So just like categories, subgroups is another way to filter down your programs more, so they're easier to find. You're able to filter them much better. So for example, you could have categories of basketball, the type of sport, if it's a camp or clinic, and then you could have subgroups that are boys or girls. You could also do subgroups that are, Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. You could do it by day. You could filter it down more as much as you want. So how you add a subgroup, you just do right on the categories page, click on subgroups, and then add new subgroup. And then you'll just put in the name, the slug, which will be what will show up after the URL, the weight, which will be how it'll show up on the page. So the higher the number, the higher it'll show up on the page. And then just make sure is active is selected. So make sure you fill out all that information. And then any subgroups you have and you completed, they'll show up here. Make sure they're all active. And then now I'll show you how to apply them to programs and then how they'll show up on the registration page. So if we go to Program Packages, and then let's just change the date so this shows up. So let's go to one of our programs. So test program, go to edit. Now you'll want to make sure a category is associated to it first. So under main info, just make sure there's a category associated, and then optional info, and you'll have up here subgroup. So this one's set of girls right now. Let's say we want this camp to be boys. We'll just change that to boys, hit save, and that'll be saved. And then let's just go into another one. So we'll go into a different camp test program and make that one girls so you can see the different filters. So we'll edit this other test program. Make sure it has a category. So same category as the other one. This one's boys. We'll just change it to girls. Hit save. And then if I go to categories and go out to the registration page for test basketball, you can see here you have test basketball filters. So that would be the category. And then here you have the subgroups here. So boys and girls. So right now this is just the test basketball category. So it shows both programs. But if you click on boys, it shows the program that you only associated to that boys subgroup. And if you click on girls, it only shows that program that you associated to the girls subgroup. So that's another cool feature that you could have to filter down your programs more and make them much more easily accessible. And that is how you create subgroups.